हाय एवरीवन, हाउ आर यू ऑल? व्हाट्सअप गाइस, कैसे हैं आप लोग? सो वेलकम बैक टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल. दिस इज़ रचा पटेल एंड आई हैड स्टार्टेड माय यूट्यूब चैनल जहाँ पे हम पढ़ेंगे सारे टॉपिक्स मैथ्स के, सो दैट यू कैन गेट मैथ्स कॉन्सेप्ट वेरी इजी एंड मैथ्स आपका फेवरेट सब्जेक्ट हो जाए, राइट? ओके, सो टुडे लाइक इन द लास्ट फ्यू सेशंस हमने रैशनल नंबर्स कवर किया था, बट टुडे वी आर गोइंग टू स्टार्ट आवर न्यू चैप्टर दैट इज लीनियर इक्वेशन इन वन वेरिएबल. So I hope everyone is ready for chapter, right? ठीक है, रैशनल नंबर्स हमारा हो चुका है. वी आर कवरिंग फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल ग्रेड 8, जिसमें ग्रेड 7 के भी कुछ कवर होंगे. सो अभी हमने शुरू किया है लीनियर इक्वेशन इन वन वेरिएबल. तो लेट्स स्टार्ट द टॉपिक with the very first thing, that is introduction of the topic. What do you mean by introduction of the topic? Basically, first of all, like let me tell you, we will go with this road map. इस road map हम चलेंगे. First of all, we will cover introduction, then we will cover linear equation, then we will cover solution of linear equation, then we will cover balancing method, transposing method, cross multiplication method, and then last में we will cover application of linear equation. और हम सब topics की practice भी करते हुए चलें. So कोई दिक्कत वाली बात नहीं है. Let's start the class with the introduction of linear equation in one variable. So first of all, जब लीनियर इक्वेशन की बात करते हैं तो हमें सबसे पहले ये पता होना चाहिए व्हाट इज एक्सप्रेशन, व्हाट इज एन एल्जेब्रिक एक्सप्रेशन, बिकॉज हम यहाँ से एल्जेब्रा में एंटर करेंगे, राइट? सो हमें सबसे पहले पता होना चाहिए व्हाट इज एल्जेब्रिक एक्सप्रेशन. सो व्हाट इज एल्जेब्रिक एक्सप्रेशन? बेसिकली एल्जेब्रिक इज अ कॉम्बिनेशन ऑफ algebraic expression is a combination of coefficients, variables, operators and constants. So what are these terms? Coefficient, variable, operator and constant. होता क्या है? So let's one by one. What are these terms? Let's start from constant. हम constant से start करेंगे so that we will be having a better clarity. Just a second. Yep. Okay, so let's start from constants. So basically constants are those values which have their fixed value. Constants are those terms which have their fixed values. Like वो question के according change नहीं होगा, वो के according change नहीं होगा, उसकी अपनी एक fixed value रहेगी जो हमेशा वही रहेगी. Let's say numerical values. Why we are saying numerical? Because numerical values have their fixed value. For example, 4 is having its fixed value, 6 is having its fixed value, 7 is having its fixed value. So these are numerical values which do have their own fixed values. So we will call them constants. Let's have an example. For example, I had given 6 chocolates to Ram. Right? Now 6 is very obvious कि how many chocolates the teacher had given to Ram. बहुत clear है कि 6 गए हैं, right? On the other hand, if we study about variable, so basically variables are those terms which do not have their fixed value, and they will change according to the question, according to the scenario and according to the situation, right? वो change होता रहेगा. For example, x, y, z, a, b, c or any variable you wish. These are variables. Why they are variables? Let's say I have given x chocolates to Ram. X means x की कोई fixed value तो नहीं है. It can be any number, right? In some situation x can be 70. Like x की जो situation है वो x की जो value है वो question के according change होती रहेगी. x हमारा कोई फिक्स वैल्यू नहीं कैरी करता. सो ऐसे नंबर जिनकी कोई फिक्स वैल्यू नहीं है, जो सिनेरियोज के अकॉर्डिंग चेंज होते रहेंगे, हम उन्हें कहेंगे वेरिएबल, राइट? बिकॉज दे आर बीइंग अकॉर्डिंग टू द सिचुएशन, राइट? नाउ लेट्स मूव ऑन टू कोएफिशिएंट्स. सो व्हाट आर कोएफिशिएंट्स? बेसिकली टर्म्स which are written with variable, with variable. Now what does that mean? Let's say you are having an algebraic expression that is 3xy plus 2x 3y. Now let's say the question says what is the coefficient of x? I take this question, otherwise you guys will get confused. Let's take a question that is 3x minus 2y. Now let's see, the question says what is the coefficient of x. Now what is the coefficient of x? The value that is written with x. So here we will say plus 3 is the coefficient of x. Now if the question asks what is the variable of what is the coefficient of y, you will write the number that is written with y with the operation. So it is minus 2. Right? Now it doesn't कि coefficient हमेशा constant होगा. For example, if I ask 3xyz में z का coefficient क्या है? So everything else like leaving z को छोड़ के जितना बचेगा वो पूरा coefficient हो जाएगा. तो जब हम z छोड़ेंगे तो हमारे पास 3x को छोड़ के साइन के साथ जो थी हम उसे कोफिशिएंट मान लेते हैं. I hope now it's clear. Now the last thing about algebraic expression is operation. Now what does that mean? Operation means the mathematical operations that we use, for example addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. These are operations. Right? So here we came up to the definition of algebraic expression that says a combination of constants, variables, coefficient and operation as algebraic expression. Right? Clear everyone? I hope algebraic expression is all clear to everyone. Fine, cool. Now let's move to the second topic. The second topic is basically, let's move on directly to the last slide. Yeah. Now next topic is basically what is the difference between an algebraic expression and equation. Expression और equation में difference क्या होता है? Of course there is some difference, तभी दोनों अलग अलग topic है. So basically algebraic expression और algebraic equation. So what happens is algebraic expression में हमारा equals to sign नहीं आता है. There is no equals to sign. Right? But in equation we do have equal to sign. इसमें equal to sign होता है. That's why it is known as equation. और expression में equals to sign नहीं होता तो हम उसे expression कहते हैं. For example, if I say 2x plus 3. Now here there is no equals to sign, so we will say it is an expression. On the other hand, equation do have an equal to sign, so we will say it is an equation. Let's say 2x plus 3 is equal to 5. Here there is an equal to sign, so we call it as equation. Now here is one more point, that there is no equal to sign in expression. That's why there is no left hand side, no right hand side, as this is the only side. On the other hand, यहाँ पे हमारा equals to के जो left portion है उसे हम left hand side बोलते हैं, जो right portion है उसे हम right hand side बोलते हैं. Right? So this was the difference between expression and equation. Now based on this, let's do a question. The question is, which of the not a linear equation? You have to tell इसमें से linear equation कौन सा नहीं है. अच्छा, बिफोर दैट अभी तो हमने इक्वेशन ही पढ़ा है, अभी हमने लीनियर इक्वेशन नहीं पढ़ा है. राइट? सो हमारा फर्स्ट टॉपिक जो हो गया इंट्रोडक्शन वो खत्म हो चुका है. नाउ वी विल मूव टू टर्म्स ऑफ द algebraic expression. These are the terms of the algebraic expression that says the parts of the algebraic expression separated by addition or subtraction of signs are called term of the expression. For example, if I say 2x plus 3y plus 5, right? Let's say an expression 2x plus 3, right? And the question asks how many terms in this expression are. So you will say 1, 2. Only 2 terms are there because this addition like divides in two parts. Let's say we are having an equation 2x square plus 3x plus 2. Now how many terms we are having? One term, second term, third term. So basically terms are the parts of an algebraic expression separated by addition or subtraction sign. I hope terms are clear to everyone. Now you guys will tell me in the chat box, in the comment box, how many terms are in this equation. That is, Hanji, you will tell me in the chat box how many terms are there in this equation. In this section, how many terms are there, you will tell me in the comment box. Okay? Okay. Now the introduction part is done. We will move to linear equation. Now we got to know that an expression is basically a combination variables, operators and coefficients. So how you are going to make a linear equation? So basically in linear equation, if the highest power of the equation is and only one variable is used, we call it as linear equation in one variable. For example, लीनियर इक्वेशन में हम कहते हैं जिसमें हाईएस्ट पावर वन हो और सिर्फ वन वेरिएबल यूज हो, हम उसे लीनियर इक्वेशन इन वन वेरिएबल कहते हैं. पहले तो लीनियर इक्वेशन समझते हैं. लीनियर इक्वेशन में बेसिकली हाईएस्ट पावर शुड बी वन. फॉर एग्जांपल 2x plus 3. If you look at this expression, the highest power of x is 1, so we will say it is linear equation, right? 2x plus 3 is equal to 5 is a linear equation because the highest power is 1. Now you will say, ma'am, what is not a linear equation? A linear equation which is not a linear equation is where the highest power is greater than 1. For example, 2x square plus 3x plus 2 is equal to 5. In this case, you can see the highest power is 2, right? So it is not a linear equation, it is a quadratic equation. Okay, let's say highest power is 3. It is also not a linear equation. So basically linear equation होगा. Clear everyone? So whenever the highest power is 1, we will call it as linear equation. But our chapter says linear one variable. What does that mean? That means only one variable should be used. Let's say 2x plus 3. In this, only one variable x is used and the highest power is 1. So we will say it is linear equation in one variable, right? Now what is not a linear equation in one variable? 2x plus 3y. This is a linear equation, no doubt, because the highest power is 1. But here there are two variables used, x and y. So now it is the topic linear equation in two variable. Right? So here we will say the definition of linear equation is when the highest power of x is 1 and only one variable is used, call it as linear equation in one variable. I hope now it is clear to everyone. The chapter's perspective is clear. Okay, ठीक है. Now you guys will answer me this question. Which of the following is not a linear equation? इसमें से linear equation कौन सा नहीं है? Think guys. If you look at option number 1, there is highest power 1 and only one variable is used. It is a linear equation. If you look at option number 3, only one variable is used and highest power is 1. It is also a linear equation. If you look at option number 4, only one variable is used and highest power is 1. It is also a linear equation. But if you look at option number 2, that is x square plus 3x is equal to 1. Now the highest power is 2. That means it is not a linear equation, it is a quadratic equation. Got it everyone? Quadratic equation now not in your syllabus, we will cover hopefully next year. So this was linear equation and its in. Let's start solution of linear equation. Just I will give you the introduction part of solution of linear equation. Iske methods we will discuss in the next class. So solution of linear equation is basically a solution of an equation is the value of the variable that makes LHS and RHS equal. That means what value of x can make left hand side and right hand side equal, that is known as solution of the linear equation. For example, as I told you, in equation we are having two sides, left hand side and right hand side. Right, हमारे दो side होती है, left hand side और right hand side. Now basically here the agenda is कि हम x की क्या value रख दें जो हमारा LHS और RHS equal हो जाए. For example, the equation is x plus 3 is equal to 7. Now the value of x for which LHS and RHS will become equal will be the solution of your equation. For example, if you put x की place पे 4, if you put x की place पे 4, then 4 plus 3 is equal to 7 and right hand side is also 7. So you will say 4 is the solution of the equation. Right? That means whatever value you can put to make your left hand side and right hand side equal, value will be the solution of your equation. Let's have one more example. If I say x minus 3 will be, let's say, right? That means the question is asking what is the solution of the equation. So you will tell me the value of this left hand side and right hand side will become equal. So if you put x की place पे 9, then you will say 9 minus 3 is 6 and side is also 6. That means for the value of x is equal to 9, हमारा LHS और RHS equal हो रहा है. So we will say 9 is the solution of the equation. Okay. Now we got to know solution. Next we will cover हम इसे निकालेंगे कैसे. Because every time it is not possible ना कि आप सोच करके value mention कर दो. ये तो easy equation थी. हमने सोच के but in some questions, in almost all the questions, value आप predict नहीं कर सकते, right? So what you will do is हमें find करनी पड़ेगी. And how we can find these values? With the help of three methods basically. Those three methods are balancing method, transposing method, and multiplication method. Right? So don't miss. We will be having a very important chapter that is basically very important topic, that is transposing method. So don't miss out the next class. I'll tell you the method, then it will be easy to find value. That's it guys. See you guys in the next class. Please don't forget to fill up the feedback form. Basically that means mention your lovely comments in the chat box, and that's all. Don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thank you so much. Bye bye. Take care. Have a good day. Bye bye.